The unique and potential feature available in this mobile me calendar is we can able to access this calendar from Apple's iPhone. So which may truly makes you the name indicates Apple mobile me calendar. Okay, and does not offer much new or innovative features because more or less same for the previous ones. Okay, and here we can that's the thing is we can say for the iPhone interoperability. Of course, that is the only thing is here how it is differentiated with the others means you can able to access this from the Apple, Apple iPhone. Okay, and then this is a strong competitor in the online applications market, especially for the non-business users, and it looks and feels like a little slicker than all of its competitors. How it is little slicker means it will be that is you can users can be able to use this applications very smooth and well. That is it looks very smooth and well. That is without putting many effort we can easily create everything in this calendars. So that it is called as a slicker, and it is certainly worth look even if you are already using the another online calendars. There is using of this mobile me calendar is worth more than the other calendars. So this is one of the very nice calendars. How the Apple mobile me calendar looks is given here. Okay. So the structure of all the calendars will be almost same. And next comes the AOL calendar, that is American Online Calendar. So this is not quite the powerhouse that used to be, and here it has millions of users, both paid subscribers and also some for some web users it will be free. Okay, so any registered users can able to access this AOL calendar with the site calendar.aol.com, and it is also integrated with the AOL Instant Messenger AIM. Okay, so we can use this for both instant messaging and emailing purpose. And as with the competing calendars here also you to share the calendars with authorized users, and your calendars can also be either you can create a calendar and you can make that calendar as a private or public calendar. Okay, so this is about AOL calendar. And next one is Calendar Hub. Beyond Google, Yahoo, Apple, and their link, many independent sites offer full-featured web-based calendars. This is the one which is Calendar Hub. Okay, www.calendarhub.com. So here it offers many features, and it offers all the features provided by the previous calendars. Okay, like private public sharing, collaboration, and then multiple calendars can be created. It is also a task based to do list. Everything will be provided by this calendar also. Okay, so in addition of that, Calendar Hub provides you the we can able to publish the calendars on your blog. So here it allows you to create a blog or a website. So using that you can able to create sites for the community groups, okay, sports teams, etc. And this is how it is different from the other calendar. So it provides you the blog, and others users can sign up to receive email notification for new events, or they can subscribe to RSS feeds for any calendar view. Okay, so this calendar hub is also completely a free service. And next comes the Hunt calendar. So this calendar also offers event-based web calendars. This is mainly used for the managing the events. So useful features include email reminders, notification of event conflicts, notification of new and updated events, and the like. And this site allows you to add web links, images to the calendar events. Okay, and also it is nice the ability to customize the color scheme, graphics to reflect your organization's look and feel. So everything will be included in this Hunt calendar. So it additionally it mainly concentrate on the event based. Okay. So this calendar is more attractive to business and community groups. And the next calendar is window. So this calendar is mainly for the community group. Okay, so the website for this is www.femendo.com. So this calendar offers free web-based calendar, which is ideal for schools, churches, sports teams, and the like. And a public calendar has been created, and user can subscribe to be notified for new and upcoming events. So here we can create a that is school calendar, academic calendar, sports calendars. So likewise, this is mainly used for these purposes. Okay. So we are calling this calendar as a community calendar. You can also add messages, boards. Here also it provides blogs and other features of a calendar. And the company also offers Famendo for families, so personal version of their organization's calendar. So here also it provides you the, because community in the sense automatically family is also included. Okay, so this version includes family address book. Address book is very important because which is used to store the contact list of our family members and friends. Okay, and message board to facilitate communication. This additionally it provides you the family address book. So the next calendar is eStudio calendar. This is mainly for the business use. So this is the website of this eStudio calendar. It has three categories of calendar we can able to create: member event calendar, team event calendar, supervisor calendar. So member event calendar, which helps you the users to manage their personal time, keep track of the meetings with others. So this member event calendar mainly used for keeping track of meetings. And the team event calendar is used for scheduling the activities of a group team event. So group activities will be scheduled by using this team event calendar. And the supervisor calendars, using this calendar we can able to manage the activities and schedules of the business. So that is the use of supervisor calendar. Okay, so you can use this eStudio calendar to broadcast information about group activities through the email, and to the schedule the meetings we can use this calendar. And the information about the company events can also be automatically published to your website using this calendar. Okay, so using this use eStudio calendar, this is mainly for the business use. So business events creation, business team member collaboration, and then to manage the activities of the business, you can use this eStudio calendar. Are you all able to follow? Okay. So next one is 30 boxes calendar. Um, so actually why it is called as 30 boxes means it provides you the 30 boxes displayed on your monthly calendar. So it's actual service provided by the all the calendar itself, but so it provides the 30 boxes for every month to provide to create a calendar here. So it is called as 30 boxes, and it is also very slick interface. It contains a slick interface. So what do you mean by slick? Slick means it's easy to create. That is without making any effort, we can easily use this calendar for adding the events. You can also shared all your events with other users, and then you can able to create a to-do list, or you can also give a link to the Gmail, Google's mail, and it also contains all the similar features of the previous calendars. Okay, so next calendar is Trumba, www.trumba.com. This is also a web-based calendar ideal for community organizations, schools, and other public. So this makes you this is the company lets you embed in individualized widgets. That means it provides you a special widgets, that is special dialog box, which is mainly for the um, this diagram shows you the Trumba widgets you can add to your own web page. Okay, and using this widgets, user can view full calendars, and we can add the events to the schedule. We can able to receive email notification of the events, etc. The features provided by all the calendars are same, only the name is different. Different people provide different calendars for the cloud service, that's it. Okay, next is the calendars net, is one of the calendar, and this Jotlet is also another cloud calendar service. It's a calendars net is also your free web-based calendar. It's for the design for the companies or for the individuals. Both companies can individual and the individuals can able to use this calendar, and we that is who can add interactive calendars to their websites. If you want to add more interactive calendars in your websites, you can use this calendars net, and this calendar fits into your frame on your website with little coding required. So we need to change the coding to fit that calendar in your websites. And then this site also hosts personal calendars in the cloud, and you can also employ 4 different levels of security here, like so different users can on the earlier calendar we had seen, no, in Yahoo calendar, no sharing, only view and edit permission, like that. Here also we can able to provide different levels of security, and you can also add events, edit events, and even change universal calendar settings. So for doing for if you want to do all these things, you can provide permission. If you're sharing a particular calendar with your friends, so the friends can able to view, or they can able to edit. You can give permissions according to the process. So this is CalendarsNet. So Jotlet, this is also a web-based calendar, and it contains a JavaScript API and library that you can build rich calendar functionality in your web page. So if you want to create a calendar effectively, you should know JavaScript, and you have to be skilled in HTML programming, so that you can able to create your best calendar. Okay, so here Jotlet API is free for non-commercial use and also available for your commercial sites. Okay, so it is a free. This Jotlet API is free for both commercial and non-commercial. Okay, so but the thing with this Jotlet is Jotlet and Calendars Net, you should know, you should have some coding knowledge, so that only we can able to include this calendars in your website. Okay, so Jotlet is fully JavaScript API. Jotlet API contains the JavaScript code, and also if you want to design a front end application, you need to know HTML coding also. Okay, so so far we have seen about the exploring online calendar applications. So calendar applications provided by different companies. So major companies provides Google Calendar, Yahoo, Windows Live Calendar, Apple Mobile Me Calendar. So others are small business companies provide you this types of cloud services, calendar services. Okay. AOL calendar, calendar hub, hunt calendar, Amando, eStudio calendar, 30 boxes, Trumpa, calendars net, and Jotlet. Okay. So next we are going to see about exploring online scheduling applications. So for scheduling your um, process, so companies will provide you some of the services. Okay. So before that, we all know why we need this scheduling. We have seen many things about this online scheduling. Okay. So scheduling a meeting is actually a frustrating experience. Why it is frustrating? So we need to find a particular time. All the individuals have to be free. First, without the attendees, we can't able to conduct a event. Okay. So if you want to schedule a event, if you want to schedule a meeting, means definitely we have to make sure whether all the attendees are free at the time, and we also make sure that room is free, resources are free. Okay. For that you have to send mails to the attendees, they have to respond to that mails whether they are free or not. And if because a business person can spend more than hundreds of each year for scheduling the meeting itself. So because that much time it will take to schedule the meeting. So it's a very pain out of scheduling the meeting, because even for the large companies or it for the smaller groups. Okay. Whether it is a large company meeting or it is a small company meeting, arranging a meeting is very difficult task. Okay. So you can use this calendar for scheduling the meeting. It will be easy for you. So the solution for this is using the web-based application for scheduling the meeting. So here, if you are using a web-based application for scheduling a meeting, automatically it checks for the free for the attendees, and then it automatically provides you the first time slot which where all the employees can free at that time, and then it automatically creates the meetings. Okay, automatically inform the meetings request to the employees. Okay, all these can be done automatically. That is mail, automatic mail will be sent to the employees for confirmation mails, etc. Okay, so using the web-based application for scheduling the meeting is very easy, other than scheduling manually. Okay, so these are the services provided for online scheduling. These are the applications, that is Jiffle, Presto, Diarist, Windows Live Events, Schedule Book, Acuity Scheduling, Appointment Quest, and then HT Appoint. Okay, so first one is Jiffle. So Jiffle means the website for Jiffle is jifflenow.com. So here you can download this applications, and this schedules meetings, appointments for the enterprise environment. Okay, so using this you can able to schedule the meetings and appointments, and we can also track the employees free time, and it synchronizes seamlessly with both Microsoft Outlook and Google Calendar. Like the usage of this Jiffle is same as Microsoft Outlook and Google Calendar, and it offers its own Jiffle calendar application also. Here, Jiffle application also has its own calendar, and Jiffle allows the originating user to make available time slots on his calendars, and they can share them with proposed attendees through this Jiffle generated email invitation. So Jiffle automatically generate a email for inviting the peoples for their meeting. Okay, so and then these attendees can able to view that invitation. They can log in into that website and they can select the time slots available. Okay, so whether based on the availability of that particular employee, they can provide the time slots there. So based on the responses from the employees, people's itself, Jiffle automatically picks the best time to conduct a meeting. Okay, so we need not go through the responses from each and every person whenever is free, or everything. So Jiffle automatically finds the time slot for conducting a meeting, best time. That is, it provides you the best time for conducting the meeting. Okay. And so how through this confirmation mail it can able to find this. And for the smaller companies, Jiffle is free for up to 10 meeting confirmations, and for larger companies, Jiffle Plus, Jiffle Pro, and Jiffle Corporate plans are also available. So Jiffle is free for the smaller companies only for 10 meeting confirmations, and it also provides more featured application for the larger companies like Jiffle Plus, Jiffle Pro, and Jiffle Corporate plans. Okay, so this is about Jiffle. So this figure shows you Jiffle how the Jiffle applications looks, and so using this Jiffle application, this person has created a calendar of their own. Okay, and this dialog box shows you the meeting request. Okay, so create a meeting request and just send through the Jiffle email for confirmation. Okay, next is Presto. So unlike Jiffle, Presto is a scheduling tool that is not limited to a single company. So it is not limited to a single company. So Presto makes you to schedule meetings and events with anyone who has an email address. Okay. So it is not limited to a particular set of peoples. So it is for whoever is having an email address can able to use this Presto for scheduling the meetings. Okay, so this figure shows you adding an event is how it is simple as entering a description in the box. That is when, who, and where. So they have provided the meeting information here. Okay, so in the description box, they will provide you the purpose of the meeting, etc. Okay, you can enter the email address of other participants and Presto emails out the appropriate invites. So you just entering set of address in the participants list, Presto automatically sends this request to all of the people that about the meeting invites. Okay, so and then when the attendee responds to that email, that is for this invitation, this Presto automatically added to the events guest list. Okay, so for the convenience of all guests, this one button process to add an event to your users Microsoft Outlook, Google Calendar, Yahoo Calendar, or Apple iCal Calendar. Okay, so that is another calendar they have mentioned here. Apple Mobile Me Calendar we had seen in the previous one. Here it is Apple iCal Calendar is also available. So this is not the only thing we have the applications. Other than this, also we have many applications. Okay, so this is about the Presto calendar. And next scheduling application is Diaryist. Next one is Windows Live Events, and then Schedule Book. So first, Diaryist. So it's same as Presto, and it is also used to make create a meeting. We can also call this as web-based meeting maker. Okay, Diaryist is also called as a web-based meeting maker. So using that is users can able to create a meeting across different companies. We can able to use this. Okay, and it's help you to pick the best time of a meeting by sending out emails. Same, the procedures are same for all the scheduling applications. Okay, the thing is the application is provided by different companies. That's it. So here also it chooses the best time for a meeting. How they will choose the best time slot? By sending the invites to the people. Invite has to respond for that invitation. From that responses itself, it chooses the best dates. Okay, and so you can able to pick up the final date. We can notify everyone your email and your meeting is scheduled. Okay, Windows Live Events is also same procedure. and website for that is home.services.spaces.live.com/events. And using this, users can organize events and they can share their activities between the participants. And to schedule an event, you can set up a list of invitees and then send out a mass email with a link. So how to schedule an event? Here also the setup a list of invitees and send out a mass email with a link back to your live event site. So here also they will send an invitation to the set of peoples. Okay, so information about the event is posted on the site itself, which also serves as a place for attendees to come back after the event, and they can share their photos, videos, blogs, post about the event. So after an event, so once a meeting is finished, it is not done. So after an event also we can able to do some process like um, they can share the photos, videos, and they can blog post about the events in the website. Okay, so and it is user friendly consumer features like live events is not robust enough for most business users. More user friendly means definitely it is not robust. And a nice way to plan more personal and informal events. We can able to create your plan more personal and informal events. So you can use this Windows Live events and schedule book. This also is different types of web-based scheduling services. Depending on the applications you use in the schedule book, employees, customers, or other interested parties can use this schedule book. Okay, so this company offers three types of schedule book, like schedule book for the professionals, schedule book for the office, schedule book for the aviation. Okay, so for professionals, it's a business oriented schedule calendar planning application is given there. And for the office, which is used schedules the use of any shared resources such as company meetings, rooms, or even vacation homes will be given in that. And aviation, which is used by the aviation industry to schedule aircraft, flight training, and similar services in that schedule book. Okay. So next one is acuity scheduling. So if you are running a business that requires scheduling appointments with the clients or customers, you can use this acuity scheduling, which helps you to easily create your scheduling operations. Okay, so individuals can able to use this scheduling application. So this makes your client schedule their own appointments all the time, and you do not have to manually schedule any appointment here also. We can make the scheduling operations more simple, or you can also able to create a more complex scheduling operations. And some business might include new client information forms as part of the online scheduling process. Okay, so this shows you the client scheduling screen for acuity scheduling. Okay, so pick an appointment. Each and every client can able to pick an appointment and they can provide their information in this part. Okay, so all these responses will be given to that um, admin. So this means acuity scheduling. So this applications automatically pick you the best time for the scheduling. So all of them are doing the same process. Different applications are providing the same process. And next comes the appointment quest. So this is also designed to solve the scheduling problems. And this applications not only enables clients to make and you can accept the appointments over the web, also let you to manage the personal schedules and the other calendar related items. Okay. And hit point is also used for enabling the online client booking. So like the previous applications, this is also ideal for the business. and it requires the making of customer appointments like we can that is small business like barber shop, hair salons, doctor appointments, dentist, consultant, financial advisors, car repair shops. That means business oriented. Hit point is mainly for the business oriented schedule. Okay, so appointment quest and hit point. So far we had seen about online scheduling application. So what are the applications we had seen? Jiffle, Presto, Diaryist, Windows Live Events, Schedule Book, Acuity Scheduling, Appointment Quest, and then HT Appointer. So all these are what is the process? Client has to register in that. That is first invites is given to invite is sent through this applications to the clients. The client has to give response in that particular applications, and that will be again read by this application. Okay, so after that, from that response, it automatically picks up the best time to conduct the meeting. Or okay, so Jiffle, most of the applications will follow the same process, and we can use this appointment quest for scheduling your appointments for different business process. Okay, so this is what we had seen in the exploring online scheduling applications, right? So next we are going to see about exploring online planning and task management. So for planning and task management, what are the cloud services provided by different applications? That is what we are going to see next. Okay. So for planning and task applications, we can able to easily manage everything from simple to-do list to complex group task. Okay. So like if you have a different task to do to complete within this week means, first of all we will make what are the things we need to complete, right? So like a simple to do list in a paper, and once you have finished up that particular task, you just make a check on that list, or you can strike through that particular task if it is completed. Okay, the same process is also done in the applications by using an application. So first we need to plan what are the tasks we need to complete, and using this to-do list concept we are making the task to uh, that is first creation of a to-do list is very easy by using this web-based applications. Okay, so this is mainly based on to-do list. Okay, very useful all over the internet, and collaboratively if you're working with others. Okay, so who is going to use create this, who is going to do this particular task, so all that list will be very useful for group members while working with collaboration. Okay, and these are the applications available for doing online planning and task management. I prioritize, blah blah list, hive minder, remember the milk, dada list, to do list, task this, vita list, tracks life, who to do, and high task Zoho planner. Okay, so these are the applications specifically for online planning and task management. Okay, once again. Okay, so first one is I prioritize. So here we can sharing to-do list is important for families, community groups, and business. Okay, so first create a to-do list, and we can able to share the to-do list with different peoples. Okay, so your to-do list must be as simple as a grocery list or as complex as a list of activities for a community program or business project. So we can able to create a simple list, or it can be a complex list that is mainly based on particular task. Okay, and using this I prioritize, you can create a simple list for the family like grocery list, or if you are working with collaboration, you can create a community program list. Okay, and for this, you can use this I prioritize from the site iprioritize.com. It's a good basic to-do list manager. Okay, and this provides you authorized users can create a new to-do list. We can add items to the list. We can prioritize the task by dragging them up and down the list. That is, once you have created the list, you want a third list to be done first, means you can able to just dragging up to up the list. You can able to make changes in the list easily. This is how user friendly. Okay, and we can mark items complete when that is, we can able to mark the items complete when you finish that particular task. Okay, so you can able to create a list, you can add more items to the list, you can prioritize the list, and once the task is completed, you can mark it as complete. Okay, and you can also access your list anytime and any place because it is a web based, and you can have a list, you can take the printout of the list, you can mail it to somebody else, and subscribe to changes in the list, and we can also view the list on your mobile phone. Okay, so these are the services provided by which is great way to consult your grocery list when at the supermarket. That is, if you're having the list in your phone, okay, it's very easy for to check whether it is whether you brought that or not. Okay, so we are calling this if you created your grocery list using this I prioritize, so which is a great way to consult your grocery list when you are at the supermarket. Okay, so here they have given a simple web-based to-do list for grocery. Okay, like this, we can create our list. So once it is completed, we can easily check that it is complete. You can add the new list by here. Okay, you can also edit the list. So next one is blah blah list. Blah blah list is also a to-do list manager. Here also we can able to create a list. You can access your list from any like location, and you can also publish your list, so that if you publish that list, that means publish means what, sharing. Okay, so family members and co-workers can able to get the instant update of your list. Okay, and next comes the hive minder. Similarly as the previous list of managers, that is, this is also a web based to-do list manager. And that is what nice about hive minder is that you can enter list items in a kind of free form fashion. Okay, so there is no structured environment. Okay, here you can use a free form fashion for entering your list, and then help you to create and prioritize list based on your brain dumps. Okay, and remember the milk is another to-do list manager. So this is mainly for the grocery store. Check out the aptly named remember the like that is, this is the website for this remember the milk to-do list manager. So once you create a list, you can able to arrange the reminders and instant messaging or text messages to your mobile phone. So next is Tada list, to-do list, task list, everything is same only. The points are repeated. So this is another, there are different types of applications available for creating the list. That's it. We can share that with family members, co-workers, check off items as they are completed. In to-do list also, we can include a web-based calendar. Here items are added both to the appropriate to-do list and to your calendar on the date they are due. Okay. And task, this is also similar, uh, like other to-do list manager. So, but offers the ability to add extended notes to an individual task. So on adding the to-do list, so for each list you can able to add the extended notes, okay, by like description. Okay, you can also publish your task, your RSS, or share with others via the web. Next is Vitalist tracks life, high task. So Vitalist also to-do list manager. It is unique in that getting things done, GTD, workflow methodology, popularized by management consultant David Allen, and tracks life separate database that combines columns of money, numbers, words, paragraphs, and yes or no responses. So features available in this tracks life applications are so money, numbers, words, paragraphs, and yes or no responses. And then application sends out reminders of critical events through the email. And high task, it's mostly a business oriented task manager. So here tasks are added to your calendar. You can color the tag for easy viewing. And this task manager and scheduler both utilize drag and drop editing. So you can share and assign tasks and projects to a group of people through the web. So next one is who to do. So this moves beyond simple to-do list management into more sophisticated priority management. So if you want to create a complex to-do list, you can use this application. Okay. So we can, this is mainly used by the companies to set up different projects. So they can organize the task of their project. They can track time they spent on their project, remaining on a given task or project, publish task list add through the mail. You can use this. Okay. And this figure shows you the pending and completed tasks. So this automatically gives you the that is price options, assign task. Okay. So like each and everything about the projects can be viewed by using this planner. So sorry, 1 second. Mm. So here it shows you the project which is pending and project which is completed. Okay. So pending and completed task is shown in this figure. Okay. Same as Zoho Planner. So here also we can use this for mainly for the company projects. They are using this. And you can create a new page for each project, and individual to-do list within each list can also be created. Uh, Description can also be included for each and every list. And it's ideal for anyone managing small to medium sized projects. And so this is actually not exactly for larger companies, but we can use Woohoo to calendar, Woohoo to for larger companies. Okay. So this is about planning and task management applications. Okay. Okay. So have you understand this? So far we seen about calendar, scheduling, and planning and task management activities. Okay. So task management services provided by different companies. Okay. I will give you 5 minutes break. Okay. You come back at 11:15. Okay. It's fine for you? Okay. So we will see the next chapter. Okay. The screen visible to you? Are you all there? Hope now it's visible, right? Okay. Okay. So last chapter we had seen about collaborating on um, it is scheduling, calendars, planning and task management. So now collaborating on event management. Okay. So what are the services provided in the event management that we are going to see here? So scheduling a company meeting is one thing, but if you have if it is a large scale event or such as a conference or seminar, it's very difficult to conduct. Okay. So if you are using a web-based applications, we can able to make this process very easier. So why it is difficult if you do this manually means you have to first schedule the meeting time. All the people have to be free on that time. Okay. And this is a big event. So if it is a big event means there are so many tasks we need to complete like market it to potential attendees, sign up those attendees, process their fee payments. Suppose you are conducting a conference or seminar globally means first we need to market attendees. The attendees have to be sign up, they have to pay for that, and then we need to get ready with the conference rooms, and we should make sure everything runs on time during the event, handle travel and hotel arrangements, register attendees, and manage event workers, make sure that event space, and it's a tremendous undertaking. Okay, so these are the tasks we have to do if you are going to conduct a successful event. Okay. So all these tasks to be complete manually is definitely a difficult one. Okay. So if you are keeping all these things, all these in the cloud means you can work on the same master database. So many people can work on that particular things easily. Okay, so we need not communicate each and everyone about this event. Okay, so if it is grouped in a particular uh, one schedule means automatically it will be easy. Okay, so what we have to do, you need to host this in the site for access whenever and wherever you need to be. So to understand the event management applications, that is divided into two phase. One is planning and workflow management and exploring the event management applications. So So understanding event management applications include event planning and workflow management, event marketing, event calendar, facilities scheduling, advanced registration, payment processing, travel management, housing management, on-site registration, contact management, budget management, post-event reporting and analysis. So if you are going to manage the event means, so these are the applications which will be useful for you to create a successful event. Okay, first, planning for an event means that's the first step. First, we need to plan, and workflow has to be planned. And second thing, if you are going to conduct an event means we have to make marketing. Then only all the people will get to know. Okay. And then even calendar should be created. We have to create the facilities like people have to come and stay. So that so all the facilities we need to provide for the attendees for the event, and we need to give that is a registration process is there, payment processing is there, travel management, housing management, on-site registration, and then contact management. Okay, so definitely we need a budget for conducting this event. The budget management has to be maintained, and after the event is successful, we need to post about the event report and analysis. Okay, so all this we are going to see this one by one. So first one is event planning and workflow management. A successful event starts well in advance of its opening date. Okay, there are tons of details involved in this event of any size, and we can manage all those tasks, which is quite bit of computing horsepower. Just the thing, cloud computing can help you out with it. It is managing all the tasks is too difficult. Okay, so if you are using cloud computing, which can be easily done, and which includes this event planning and workflow management include robust task planning modules similar to what you had find in the higher end task management applications or lower end project management applications. Okay, so what you want is the ability not just to track individual tasks in a to-do list fashion, but also we need more sophisticated workflow management. Just to-do list will not work here. We need to use more sophisticated workflow management. And then you need to know which tasks need to be completed before the task can be started, before the event can be started. And you need to know who is going to do what have to be done, what needs to be altered in any of the task. Okay, so everything has to be planned before the event starts. So you need the planning and workflow management functionality to continue in the event itself, so that you can manage your staff in an efficient and effective manner. So what do you understand from this? So before starting an event, we should plan perfectly to make an event successful. Okay. So second thing, event marketing. So unless if the people does not know about the event, definitely no attendees will be for the event. So you have to be make your event marketing. Okay. So many event management applications includes modules to help you the market your event, like advertisement. Okay. So you can able to promote your event through the email messages. So many applications provide you the web-based email marketing techniques, which one of them is providing email messages, sending the email messages to promote your event. And other applications can also help you to create your own event website. Okay, in using the cloud computers, which also helps you to promote your event. So first thing, we need to plan our event. After planning, workflow should be managed. Okay, which task has to be done first, second, etc. Second point is we need to promote our event. Okay, then only we can able to get more number of attendees. Sorry. And third one is event calendar. So this is another part of event marketing, because we need to create a calendar which shows you the particular event on date time. Okay, so on that particular date and time, before that it will send notifications to all the peoples who is going to attend the event. Okay, so online calendar which displays all the happenings within your overall event. And this mostly useful if you are hosting a conference, okay, trade show, made a lots of individual panel sessions or meetings. You can also post individual event on the main calendar, easily accessed by any attendee or potential attendee with a web browser. So through their internet, they can able to access all these informations from the calendar itself. And facilities scheduling. So unless you are running a one room meeting, chances are your event involves multiple rooms, maybe even multiple locations. So event can be conducted in a single room or it can be multiple room. Or we can also able to conduct an event globally. That means different locations of in different locations also we can able to conduct an event. Okay. So if you need to do able to schedule different rooms for different components of your event. So if it is connected multiple rooms means we need to schedule different rooms for your event, and participant or group people for that room need to be able to see what's available and when. Okay, so what are the rooms available, when it is available, all the things have to be scheduled. The facilities for the event has to be scheduled properly. Okay. So this module ties into the event host systems, which gives you the complete power over room or hall scheduling. So first thing is we need to plan. Second one is we need to marketing, and we need to create a calendar for your event. And third one, where we are going to conduct a event. Okay. So for that we have to make a facilities to be required for your event has to be scheduled. So next one, advanced registration. It may be online or offline registration. So if it is a larger events, definitely require or encourage advanced registration of participants. And most event management applications includes web-based registration module. So the attendees have to sign up that module, and there they can enter their informations, personal informations, and they can also store the data stored in the applications providers cloud servers, and you can then access attendee data from your own computer wherever you may be. That means the attendees have to sign up their applications, they will enter their informations, and that is stored in the cloud. So you can able to access that information from any locations. So the more sophisticated advanced registration modules provide additional functionality. That means demographic information of the attendees. So you can also get demographic or other information from the attendees. So or a registration model might tie into the hotel reservation module to automatically reserve hotel rooms for those who need them. So during the registration itself, if they are from other locations, they need uh, place to stay, they need travel. Okay, they we need to arrange the travel for that. So all this informations can get through this advanced registration. So it is called as backbone of the entire event management program. So make sure it does everything you need to do and does so in a way that you find usable. And next, payment processing. Collecting a payment for your advance and on-site registrants is a key part of the event management experience. And if you want the event management software to tie to payment processing in the registration process itself, or letting you to accept payment through some other cards like that. Okay, whatever the other payment methods you can accept. Okay, so the online payment processing is also available, or you can accept different types of there is net banking, or through the card you can pay for your registration. And travel management in the sense, so you might want to consider offering travel services to the attendees. So as simple own transfer services like taxi, buses, airline reservations. Okay, so it depends on the location of the attendees. You need to arrange the travel services. Okay, so although not all event management application offer this types of functionality, it is available with some of the applications. Okay, so some of the applications have this travel management. If it is, if they want to provide travel, same as for the housing management where they are going to stay. So all the attendees may require place to stay for the events. So we need to make an arrangement for that also. So all these informations of the attendees will be given in the advanced registration. And on-site registration, so that attendees can sign up their application. And when they, even though they have registered online on the day of event, to sign them in printout badge, because we have to provide the badge for that event, and some of the gift pack like folder, notepad, pen. So all these things will be given to that attendees. Okay, so all of these tasks are managed by the event management applications. And so this is combined with the advanced registration. Okay, so this also combined with the advanced registration. Uh, and all these are web based. You can also manage on site activities. Okay, notebook PC at event site, accessing your main database in the cloud. So because advanced registration itself that stored in the cloud database, from the cloud database we can easily access those informations at any place. Next comes the contact management. So many event managers have that is we need to maintain the list of attendees contact. Okay, so using the master database of event guests, you can provide the contact management services, so which helps attendees get in touch with one another. And at very least, your event management application should let you print out a master directory of attendees, which can then be provided as a part of the welcoming package of materials. So we have that information in the event management applications, which provides you that from the you can take the printout, so which helps you to provide the attendees the welcoming packet and materials. So this is very difficult task, budget management. So running an event is an expensive and complex. So your overall budget includes hundreds of individual expense items. So to that end, every event management application should include this services, which is very robust, and also budget management module. All the application, mostly all the event management application will provide you this budget management module, so which is helpful you to track both your expenses and your income. Okay. And post event reporting and analysis means what? So if it is finally over, you should not consider your job is done, because you have to do the balance work. That means you need to look back on the entire event, and you have to determine whether this event is successful or not. And even my applications includes some form for post event reporting and analysis. So there you can able to provide valuable feedback about the events. And then we can using the report module, you can see the glance how you perform to plan in a number of areas, not all of them in financial. Okay, so from that report itself, you can able to analyze wherever what are the things we have worked on for the next event, where we have missed something. So all this can be done by using this post event reporting and analysis. Okay. So far we have seen about what are the things required for event management applications. Okay, so if you are going to create an event management application using cloud, means these things have to be included in that. What are the things? Planning management, event marketing, calendar scheduling, registration processing, travel management, housing management, on-site registration, contact management, budget management, and post-event reporting and analysis. So these are the things which is required in our event management applications. Okay. So next comes the application which provides you all these options. Okay. So there are so many event management applications available. 123 sign up, conference.com, C event, event wax, events bot, register online, set dot tendency. So these are the event management applications. Okay. So next, so first event management application is 123 sign up. So this company offers four different types of applications: event manager, association manager, training manager, and member directory. Okay, so this is scalable so that it can be used for both smaller as well as the larger companies. Okay, smaller companies can use this applications for employee meetings, stockholder meetings, alumni meetings, and so forth. And larger companies can use this application for trade shows, fundraisers, conference, etc. And using this application, we can easily handle a combination of front office as well as the back office task. So front office task in the sense we can define and marketing the events, automatically generating informational web pages, registration forms, marketing your event through the email messages. Back office, which includes the task like event registration, batch printing, payment collection, database management, etc. And the program even provides real-time reporters on registrations, attendance, collections, and other key factors, which is we these tasks are include for the back office. Okay, so 123 sign up provides you four different applications, and which is scalable. Even we can use this application for the smaller and larger companies. It easy to handle the front office as well as the back office task. Okay, so front office task includes marketing, etc. Back office task includes providing the welcome packet, batches. Okay, so all this includes the back office task. So this figure shows you the initial registration page. So click on this register. So there you can give all the details of your registration. And so attendees can able to see the information about the event, including a link to a map of the event hotel, that is where the event takes place, venue of the event, and they can able to add the event to their Microsoft Outlook calendar. Okay, and To begin the registration process, attendee need only the register. That is, they need to click on this register icon. If they want to attend this event means click on this register icon and type their informations. So attendees are then promoted for their name. So on clicking this register button, it will be asking for name, contact information, payment method, etc. Okay. So this is the that is beginning page of 1 to 3 sign up. Excuse me. So next is Activa. So this is another event management applications. So this offers online event registration and payments. Okay. So you can easily handle event registration, ticketing, and payment handling techniques directly from this website. So easily you can sort and manage all the event registration data in online itself. So we are calling this Activa as active page for your event. Simply a web page with built-in payment handling and data processing. And here you have published your event page by using Activa's event mail service, okay, which sends a notification of your event to all the attendees. And those who are interested, those who want to attend that event can visit to your active page, and then they can register and give payment for the event. And Activa processes and confirms your event registration and sends an email confirmation to the participant. So you can use this Activa's online event management tools to generate call list, mail preference list, name tags, batches, and the like. Procedure is same. So send the event informations through the mail. The mail provided by this Activa is Activa's event mail service. Okay, so all the mail will be sent to the attendees. Interested attendees will register and give the payment, and after it will provide the attendees the confirmation mail. And Activa's online event management tools automatically generates the call list. So using that call list, you can prepare for the tax batches, etc. So next comes the conference.com. It's one of the most full-featured web-based event management applications. And so here, small events can utilize the company's powerful event management tools. So designed to serve the needs of the large events. So all the data entered will be hosted in the conference.com site. That means all the data is stored in the server, and from that server you can easily access from any location. And it provides you the wizard-based event setup, real-time credit authorization, customizable web pages and forms, on-site processing. Okay, so all these options is provided by this conference.com. And when an event participant submits his registration through this custom designed web form, the application automatically updates the database on the conference.com and web servers. So this information is always up to date. So once the user enters their information, this application automatically updates the information in the database. So from the database, user can retrieve the information from any place. This is the workflow of conference.com. So here we have export manager, travel manager, credit card manager, lead track manager. Okay. So travel manager, credit card manager, lead track manager. So register maintains the registration, email manager, profile manager, hotel manager, authentication process. Okay. Affiliate table, external database. That is all this done. So the all the things have to be stored in the databases. Okay. So what are all the works of each and every manager of this conference.com? That's we are going to see next. Okay, so export manager, the work of export manager is export or import utility that lets you copy the data from one event to another event in your database. So, so this manager provides you the copy of the data from one event to the another event. And hotel manager is a professional room block management tool, so tightly integrated with the company's registration manager module. So see here, this hotel manager tool is integrated with the registration manager and email manager. Okay, so this hotel manager tool manages everything from single property blocks to citywide room inventories. Okay, and each room type is defined with its own price, description, and starting inventory. So this tool contains the informations of room with their price and descriptions of that room. And as room is sold, nightly inventory for that room type is automatically adjusted. So room management is maintained by this tool called hotel manager. And lead track manager, so uses barcode technology to verify the session attendee and provide lead tracking services to the exhibitors. That means authentication process. Okay, authentication process is done by the lead track manager. And profile manager, so links with all other tools like member, employee, customer, prospect database, conference registration, passing any attendees to authenticate themselves through login web page. So overall is done by this profile manager. And registration manager is taking care of accounting engine, report engine, graphical report library, other functions that integrate directly with other modules in the suite. And survey manager, which enables you to create professional looking online surveys at any point in the event process. And you can also solicit pre or post event attendee surveys. And the survey manager let you email invitations with the hyperlinks to take the user to the correct survey form. So next, travel manager helps you to manage the traveling services like airports. Together, this suite module also creates a full-featured event management application that should be handled with the needs of sized event. So based on the size of the event, this will take care of this travel arrangements. Next comes the Cvent, www.cvent.com. This is also one of the event management application. So this application contains these services like tools like email marketing. So here it saves the date, reminders, confirmations, post event. So thank you messages. All this can be done by this tool called email marketing. So all this will be sent to the attendees through the mail. Online payment processing is done by this tool. Accept the payment by major cards. Okay. So offer early bird discounts to motivated participants also. And housing and travel management is done by this tool. So it's a one step process for attendees. So they have to sign up and they have to pay. Okay. So to get a hotel room or reserve and flight ticket and receive all relevant flow of communications, they have to sign up and pay. And contact management, which provides you the directory or address book of all the participants information. And workflow management manages the entire event planning process from start to finish. And even custom event websites helps you to launch a custom website for your event, that is complete on-site promotion of event sponsors. So this provide you the on-site promotion of event sponsors, and budget management helps you to build a track and analyze budgets for your events. Event calendar displays all events open for registration, and on-site functionality enables you to check in the attendees as they arrive on site, provide self-registration, print session, attendees list, create barcoded name batches, and process live credit card payments. Event reporting. So after the events get over, lets you access event data in real time through via a library of standard and custom reports. Okay, so the C event provides all these tools in their event management applications. So this is about event wax, not a complete full event management solution. Okay, so it's not really designed for since it is not a full feature, we can't use this for large scale events. For small scale events, you can use this application. Okay, like company meetings, okay, parties, open houses. So for that type of events, you can use this event wax. But it contains many of the features available in the previous options. You can also schedule multiple events by send out email invitations, create event web pages, enable attendee self-registration, etc. Here you can also sell tickets of your event. Okay. So this is a sample monitoring ticket sales with Events Wax application. Events bot. This is another event management application. So this offers online event registration and ticketing. Okay, so we can use this events bot to plan and manage your event. We can sell tickets, collect credit card payments, even promote your event with major search engines and event directories. So here we can able to create a new event with the event bot, and that is it's a easy form filling procedure. Okay, and it is also cloud based website for your event. We can able to create that. So this figure shows you the events bot event page for Lota Pi Theta Summer Leadership Conference. So using this events board, they have created this event in this web page. So events board handle tickets and attendee management also for the event. And register online also offers online event registration and payment. So here you can able to create a website for your event, create web-based registration forms, accept credit card payment, automatic email reminders and confirmations, print name batches and room signs, generate all manner of custom reports. So this application also handles the reservations of individual hotel rooms and room blocks. And this event builder page walks you through the event creation process and fill in the relevant information to generate a web page and other functions for your event. So here online registration event builder page to create a new event. So all the things, that is event title, event name, start date, end date, city, country, venue, all the informations will be created in this event page. So if you want to create a new event, you can use this register online application. Next comes the set dot. So large corporate events, we can't use that because it is only for the smaller one. Okay, small personal events, if you want to create, you can use this set dot. Okay, we can't use it for a large corporate events. So we can choose from various present themes of your event web page from this, and it displays maps and direction of the events. It's mainly for small events. It does manage guest responses and messages. Next one is tendency. It's a combination of web-based calendar application with the online registration and payment. So it contains both the calendar application as well as the registration and payment option. So here you can create a calendar for your event, and the interested party click on this event and taken to the particular page that they can see their more information, and they can register online in that page itself. So you can manage the attendee data, print names, tags, etc. by using this tendency. So, so far we had seen about the exploring event management applications. Okay. So these are the different event management applications available in the cloud. Okay. So are you all following? Okay. Once again. So, so next topic, going to see about collaborating on contact management. Actually, I don't have PPT for that. I shared that PDF book with you. Okay. It's almost same what we had seen in the calendar, schedule, and task management. Screen visible? Okay, once again. Now, I shared that PDF with you. Is it visible now? Okay. So the next topic is collaborating on contact management. So definitely if you are in a sales or if you are in a marketing, definitely we need a contact list, which is more important for that persons, right? So nowadays people are using a list of friends, family, and business contacts. Everything will be stored in the computer-based address book. So, but we can't able to take that computer-based address book all the time, right? So salespersons are using CRM applications, customer relationship management applications, which is provided by the cloud. There they can store their contact information, that is store their customers contact information, so that they can able to access that information from anywhere in any place. Okay, they can able to access those informations to contact their peoples. Okay, so to understand the contact management, so first we need to know what is contact management and what is CRM. So what all about contact management gives us, that is storing informations about friends, family, and business colleagues for easy retrieval at a later date. So the storing of information of contact is given by this contact management. Informations in the sense, if, friend names, street address, email address, phone numbers, everything is coming under the storing of information. Okay. This is a simple computer-based contact management task. Uh, Here they are using an electronic address book. So they are using electronic address book like address book applications, which is given by the Microsoft Windows. Okay, and this address book store useful for storing the contact information on a single computer. But if it is stored in a single computer, they can't able to use, right? Okay, they can't able to use that in all the places. Okay, so contact management can be more involved and more useful than simple name address storage. Other than that, also it has many advantages. So they can easily able to track all sorts of details about your friends and colleagues. Okay, like the personal informations like date of birth, spouse name, children's names, favorite restaurants, etc. Okay, and for the business informations also, this contact information is more useful, like employer, department, job responsibilities, etc. Okay, so if you are using a web-based contact management applications, which is useful for accessing your contact informations from any computer connected to the internet. If you are storing in a single computer, definitely it is not useful. If you are storing that informations in the cloud means it will be useful for them to contact that particular person at any time, any from any place also. Okay. So what about CRM? It is a customer relationship management. Okay. So nowadays many business are requiring this practical use of this contact information, and it is not enough to use this. Okay, only using the digital contact information is not only used. So here comes the CRM. Okay. So process of managing the needs, wants, and buying patterns of customer is referred to as customer relationship management. That is, managing only the contact list is not only useful for business. So is that is, they are collaborating that contact management with the CRM process. So what do you mean by CRM? It's a process of managing the needs and buying patterns of customer. Okay, so to improve their business, definitely we need this customer relationship management. Okay, so the CRM software not only stores customer contact information, it also useful for storing and analyzing the data. That means if you went to the if you go to the departmental store, there you can see milk, bread, and egg all will be placed in a next place. That means what? Most of the people, if they are buying milk, they will buy the bread, biscuits, etc., like egg also. Okay. So that is a customer analysis, market basket analysis that we Okay, so if they are buying one product, along with that they will keep another product which is useful for the customer to get that product easily. Okay, that is customer relationship management software will provide you all these informations. Okay, and then if they keep that particular products next, means it will make the people to automatically buy that, if, even though they don't want that particular product at that time, it trigger that customer to buy that. Okay, so that is also the responsibility of CRM. Okay, and then CRM is used by sales staff, mostly used by the sales staff. Okay, so you can get it, subset of CRM is called as Salesforce automation or SFA. So SFA is called as subset of CRM. Okay, so application perform customer centric task expected of CRM applications. So, but with a sales specific approach. So, CRM and SFA applications have been used for the decades, almost as long as personal computers. And however, have these two applications moved into the cloud, and you can that is making CRM and SFA web based means it will be more useful for the business. Okay, so exploring contact management and CRM applications. So what are the applications given in the given applications which provide these CRM and contact management is, first one is salesforce.com. So Salesforce. So all these we had seen in the earlier applications itself. You all know what is the use of Salesforce.com. That means it is mainly used by the uh, sales, that is marketing peoples. Okay, so this contact management and CRM process is given by the Salesforce. Most of the companies offer several different cloud services. So Salesforce, software as a service, CRM applications, marketing, customer service. Okay. Actually, Salesforce is a subset of Force.com. Force.com will provide you all the platform for service applications. This provides you the app exchange. So all this we had seen in the previous chapter itself. Okay. And here, sales, service and support, a customer service solution for enterprise call centers, or is partners, marketing, content, ideas, and analytics. Okay. So Salesforce automation includes activity management, channel and territory management, forecasting, mobile access, email team, plates, and real-time analytics. So which all helps the companies to increase their sales productivity. Okay. So partners in the sense, so partner relationship management application, which is very helpful to enable the collaboration and partnership with the other partners. And marketing enables tools to execute, manage, and analyze the results of multi-channel marketing campaigns. And content enables the companies to share their documents with other uh, content across the organization. And ideas tool helps a company to build online communities with their customers, partners, and employees. And analytics helps this tool offers a real-time reporting, calculations, dashboards, so which all help you to improve the decision making and resource allocation. Okay, so all these tools is provided by this Salesforce. So using this, in addition to this, Salesforce also enables the client to build their own custom applications, and it's mainly useful uh, application because it's very difficult to provide a quick uh, overview. Okay, the specific applications offered in this component which also include tracking the task and activities based on that, schedule the joint meets, set up automatic templates for recurring task, etc. Okay, so activity scheduling is more important thing. sales activity report, team management functions. So all these will be provided by the Salesforce.com. So all these tasks have to be used by the salespeople and sales manager, okay, to manage the complex relationships with the demanding customers. And most of the Salesforce tasks can be managed through this customized dashboards. So key metrics, custom Salesforce dashboards, a diagram of that dashboard. So which provide you the pictorial representation how we are maintaining a relationship with the customers. Okay. Priority of the task. Okay. And closed sales to date. So all these informations will be provided in the dashboard. Sources, leads, pricing, everything will be given in this dashboard. So this is about salesforce.com. So next comes the B connections. So this is one of the web-based CRM solution. And so B connections, that is witness B connections. So www.bconnections.com. It's a website where we can download this applications and use this for small and medium-sized business. Okay, we can't use this for large business. We can use this for small and medium-sized businesses. And this application starts with a list of companies you do business with. So here we can provide there is first thing list of companies you are having the business with, and a list of contacts at those businesses, and using this contact information, all these contact informations will be hosted in the cloud, and also includes the calendar. Sales management can use this to manage the activities of their representatives. Okay, so they can also track leads and sales opportunities. So they can use this information for their better sales reports. And big contacts is another application. So here it is designed for work groups, collaboration. Okay. So as small as two people or as large as 2000. Maximum it allows 2000 people to collaborate for work. Okay. So it contains the features like address book, group calendar, task manager, and to-do list. CRM functions like tracking, activity reports, team management, and mobile access. Okay, so pricing is on per user basis. So if you are using this applications for your business, you need to pay. This is not a free one. Okay, so we need to pay as per user basis. And next comes the eStudio Contact Manager. Okay, in the using this applications, it provides online address book. Okay, this is specifically designed for business contacts. So this address book can be accessed by multiple users from any places, and you making it ideal for real-time contact management for sales teams, project groups, and businesses. Okay, so specific contacts you can use can be found by browsing the folders or browsing alphabetically or searching. That is directly by using this search button, you can find your specific customer contact details. So viewing the folder based contact information in the eStudio Contact Manager. So contacts, so there they can make the folder customers, legal, vendors list. Okay, so like this they have segregated the contact list using this application. Next, high rise. So here also each contact record can include basic informations like name, address, email, file attachments, images, links, audio and video files. emails, etc. We can also add task you need to do. You can also then can show the task of the individual contact page. Okay, and so contact information can be aggregated by company on special company pages. So it provides you bird's eye view of your latest activities and upcoming task. Okay, that means we can easily view the bird's eye view means what sharply we can view your latest activities. Okay, and Apple Mobile Me Contacts. It's also web-based application usable by anyone who is using Mac or Windows computer. So here also they will provide you the customer contact of a customer contact for a specific company. So this is viewed in the computer. This the same thing can you can able to view by using a mobile phone. So that it is called as Apple's Mobile Me. That is only using the iPhone you can able to view these options. Okay. And the next one is My Events. Here also web calendar, task manager, online community builder is there. You can access them through the browser, and using the calendar function, you can use it for both personal and group events. We can share the public calendars. Online file storage and sharing is there. Online digital photo albums. Okay. Hosted web pages and community bulletin boards and chat rooms are there. Okay. So all these uh, is provided by this My Events. Plaxo is an odd little beast. That means so this provides online address book. Contact information is stored in the clouds, so you can access from anywhere. Okay, and hosting of contact information on the company servers. All this information is hosting in the company servers. Sending of invitations to all the users, etc. All this can be done in this applications. And when information on a specific contact is updated by one user, this is automatically updated in the address book also. Okay. So this also include social networking types of functionality. And this company also acquired by Comcast, which intends to use Plaxo to drive it smart zone communications hub. So particular users profile. If it is updated means automatically it is updated in the address book also. Next is people's matrix. In addition to basic contact information, it also includes job applicant data and users send mass emails, job postings, etc. in this applications and post job announcements to the company's existing website. It can accept online job applications, track your history of communications. So this can be done by using this people matrix. And then pipeline deals, which provides you the context, leads, milestones, status, key data of the information. And okay, so pipeline deals is called as deal focused. You can attach all data in the files to a specific page of a current or pending deal. Okay, you can report the features uh, in pipeline details. The deal home page is there. Okay, and a dashboard that provides a quick snapshot of deal status and upcoming activities. Once again,
Guys, once again, wait, please. I will come back.
Okay. The screen visible? Not audible. I told you to wait for some time. That time you have put not audible. I gave you break at 11:15. No, then again you are asking for the break. Okay, fine. Are you all able to follow the things? Will you able to follow the content in the PDF through that PDF? Guys, are you able to follow through PDF? I'm asking you only. Please respond. I have not prepared PPT for that particular topic. Okay. Will you able to follow? Any doubt up to this? Okay. Next comes a sales boom. This is this web-based CRM and back office solutions. So this provides both CRM and as well as the back office solutions. So this gives you different editions for different sized business. Okay. So that means a smaller, medium sized as well as the large enterprise. So here they have given the category as enterprise edition, professional edition, and team edition. So enterprise editions provides you inventory management, product management, accounting, and human resource management services. Professional edition is made for medium-sized business, which includes the marketing automation, Salesforce automation, customer service, and support solutions. And team is for small businesses, which includes Salesforce automation, contact management, and customer service. So all the services provided by these three editions are almost same only. There's all three. provides you the um, like that is medium sized and small business are almost same than the larger one. Okay. So sales boom, Salesforce automations solutions includes the lead management, contact management, account management, opportunity management, forecasting futures. So enterprise edition also includes the quote management, contract management, commissions management, and a product database. So next comes the salesjunction.com. This is the combination of CRM and SFA contact management system and priced on a per user basis. So here it is a not free one. Here we need to pay the price. Okay. So based on the usage, we need to pay the price for this. So the unique features of this sales junction is management of service cases, mass email sales campaigns, and sales pipelines. And so Pro Edition is also there, which includes the territory management functionality, uh, which lets the companies to set up, assign, and work leads by territories. Next comes Sales Nexus. So, which is mainly designed from the ground up around the needs of the salespeople, sales management, and marketing professionals, which includes the ability to create and store proposal estimates, quotes, sales sheets, customized sales pipeline, activity reporting, email marketing combines, automatic lead creation. So, all these services will be provided by this Sale Nexus. So, it also contains a contact database, cleanly interfaces with your company's email system. Okay. So this application also includes support for mobile phone and handheld digital devices. So from this diagram, we can't able to understand anything. If you want to see this figures means you can go through that website and see the structure. Okay, it is not clearly mentioned here. And Zoho CRM, uh, this also provides three different categories: sales and marketing, inventory management, customer supports and service, reports and dashboards. Okay. So all these services will be provided by this Zogo CRM for three different categories like free edition, professional edition, and enterprise edition. So all these edition contains the following modules. Okay, sales and marketing and the sense combines leads, sales, pipeline, forecast. Inventory management provides you the integrated inventory management system. Customer support and service provides you the solutions to integrate the customer support process. Reports and dashboards provides you the analysis, sales and marketing trends and key metrics. So this Zogo CRM also includes the Outlook plugin options. Zogo sales and marketing component is full-fledgedly given in this application, and this also includes the lead management, opportunity management, account management, contact management, activity management, sales management, and sales codes, functions, etc. Okay, so all these are the uh, services provided for the contact management and customer relationship management. Okay, so have you understand this? Okay, so what are the cloud service which provides you the contact and sales customer relationship is? There are so many things available. First, we had seen about the salesforce.com, and that's main for the sales marketing, and B connections for the company's interactions, and big contacts, your contact manager, high rise, Apple mobile me contacts, my events, Plaxo, pipeline deals, sales boom, salesfunction.com, Sales Nexus, Zogo CRM. Okay, so all these are collaborating on contact management and customer relationship management. Okay, next comes the collaborating on project management. So to manage the project, what are the services, cloud services available? Okay, so even for the smallest project or it can be a larger project, definitely we need a service. Okay, so if you are using a cloud service, then it will be useful while collaborating on project means the people are not at the same place. They will be in different locations. How they will be able to collaborate on the projects means by using this cloud service. So these introductions are repeated in the first unit, second unit. We had seen so much about this concept. So directly I will move on to the project management applications. So the project management applications are at a task. Okay, so this is one of the web-based project management application which offers you the variety of traditional project management functions. Okay, so project management functions in the sense it provides you the interactive drag and drop Gantt chart, critical path analysis, project milestones, planned project estimated comparisons, resource scheduling, and issue management, calendar views for project task. Okay, this can be managed remotely. A special software widget for Apple's iPhone. So we can use this. We can able to view this application in the Apple's iPhone. So this is a drag and drop chant chart at task. So which using this chart we can able to easily understand whether the project is completed by that particular person or not. Okay. And next one is ACE project, ACT project. Okay, easy to use web-based project management application which provides the users easy to manage multiple projects using multiple resources and shares. Okay, they can able to share their resources across different projects, and tasks can be tracked easily. They can fine tune the results, and the application offers a number of different projects reports and statistics also. We can easily tracking the time, email notification of task, deadlines. Monthly project calendar is also shown, so they have to complete that particular project during that deadlines. Okay, so start and end dates are also shown in individual dates of a project, so which is represented in different colors, they said, in green and red color. Next comes the base camp. So one of the most popular project management application. So this is also used both for the internal and external projects. Okay, it provides you a special dashboard. Okay, so this is a dashboard of Basecamp project. So this in that dashboard, it provides you the projects and clients single screen, late items, and soon highlighted on the screen. Okay, and in addition to that, project management operations like tracking milestones, Basecamp includes to-do list, file sharing, message boards. Like Basecamp, it also provides you the to-do list and file sharing, and wiki like web-based documents and other group collaboration features also provided in this. Okay, and uh, here it offers three different plans: basic, plus, and max. So it is priced from a flat $24 per month to $149 per month. So this is the paid one. Okay, next one is Copper Project. So this can be hosted either on a company server or on your own server. We can able to host this application on the company server or your own server. So this enables that is either version enables web-based collaboration only. So we may thought if you are hosted on our server, definitely it will not be considered as cloud. But here, this enables a web-based collaboration only, even though you are hosting that in your server. And this copper project includes the features like drag and drop, my weekly, monthly timeline, resource management, email alerts, statistical reports, okay, unique personal time management tool, etc. And it also provides you the springboard view. So which means we can able to progress of multiple projects on a single screen. See, springboard view means viewing the multiple projects on a single screen. So this feature is also provided by this. And next one is eStudio Task Tracker. Easy to use online project management application. This application includes the features like task list, work logs, issue management, automatic task dependencies, sub-project capability, budget and expense tracking, Gantt charts, and full set of management reports. All these features are included in this eStudio Task Tracker. And on project, so using this on project, this we can offer the services like collaborative project management, and this applications provides you on-screen access. Okay, and other features includes the same as the previous one: Gantt charts, time, expense tracking, issue tracking, automatic email notifications. All these features are also same as like the previous one. And next comes the project drive, so which includes the communication and collaboration features in addition to basic project management functionality. So here it includes dashboard templates for fast project setup, Gantt charts, task management, okay, document sharing and management, automated communication tools, group calendar, cost analysis and budgeting, and large number of management reports. I think in this cloud computing subject, you just thorough with the topic headings. Okay, the content within that, because most of the applications are providing the same service. So if you thorough with one or two content of that applications, you can use that content for the other applications also. Okay, so be thorough with the services provided by different companies. Okay, for calendar scheduling, task management, collaborating on contact management, event management. Thorough with the topics first and then go through the content. It will be easy to score high marks because each and every topic shows you the same number of features. Okay, and database. So this also offers a summary executive dashboard, scheduled views, portfolio, cross project, Gantt charts, resource planning, budget control, issue tracking, and detailed project schedule. And Vrike, this offers unique way to create a project. That means it's a email based. So emails from project members are automatically converted into task. So this one is very different. So here it is based on email. From the emails, project members emails from project members are automatically converted into the appropriate uh, task. Okay. And next comes the Zoho projects. So here it is one of the most popular cloud and start a standard project management application it provides. So it also includes tasks and milestones, project calendars, Gantt charts, and other reports, time tracking, and group file sharing, etc. Zoho offers several different versions of the project applications, from a single project free version to the enterprise version. Okay, so this it also provides you the different versions of project application. Okay, so so far we had seen about the collaboration on project management. So for that, cloud services available, that is applications that is available for performing that project management is Zoho project, right? Database, project drive, on project, eStudio task tracker, copper project, base camp, ACE project. ACE project is called as, so which one is easy to use project, okay? And then add to task. So all these are the applications which will be useful for project management, right? So next one is collaborating on word processing. So you all know how to use word processing program, right? So what is the use of that word processing? Is to create a document. Okay. So letters, if you want to create a memos, notes, if you want to create a notes, reports, newsletters. So everything will be easy if you are using a Microsoft Word. Okay. But when you do not have your word processor at hand, what you can do? Okay. So that time you can இதெல்லாம் வேணாம். You can use a web-based word processor, okay, like a Google Docs, okay. So that you can use that for a, if you are at a different place, you want to use that word processor suddenly means you can use a cloud word processors. Okay, so what are the applications which provide these cloud-based process are okay, use should you use a web-based word processor? That is, இதெல்லாம் நீங்களே படிச்சுக்கலாம். That is self-learning. You can do the self-learning of the beginning users, casual users, anyone who wants to access the documents from multiple locations, and anyone who needs to share the documents with others. Okay, anyone who needs to edit the documents in a collaborative environment, power users, and anyone who wants to create sophisticated printout, working on sensitive documents, and anyone who needs to work when not connected to the internet. Okay. So these are the people who are using this web-based word processor. Okay, so those things you can study on your own. I'm directly moving on to the web-based word processors applications. So the famous web-based word processor application is given by the Google Docs. So almost Microsoft Word and Google Docs are similar, but some of the features which is provided in the Microsoft Word will not be given in this Google Docs. Okay. So so Google Docs is clean and most important, it works well without imposing a steep learning curve. Okay. So if you're connected with your email, you can able to use this Google Docs, right? So and then all the documents you have created using this Google Docs is stored in your automatically stored in your drive. Okay. You can able to share your document. You can also able to make your file collaboration version also using this Google Docs. Like Google Docs, we can also having spreadsheets and presentations also you can able to create. So here on the left side, it will shows you the files and folders to view the documents type and display the documents shared, download option. Okay, so note icons, spreadsheets have a spreadsheet icon, presentations have a presentation icon like that. So if you click on this, open any document, so the document will open in a new window, and to delete an item, select it and then click the delete button. So actually here it shows a full usage of Google Docs. Okay, I think most of the people know how to use Microsoft Word. Same as you can use this Google Docs. Okay, so file creation, folder creation, saving, the document creation, everything will be same. Okay, and the Adobe Buzzword is also another word processor available. Um, but here it is little bit different. So this contains a flash. Okay, which must be problematic for the users with older PCs. So Flash will not be available in all the machines. Okay, so the Flash implementation gives Buzzword a NASI interface, and some advanced editing and formatting features is also available in this Adobe Buzzword. Okay, Adobe Buzzword is mainly used for pictures. Okay, so if you are going to handle with images in your word processor, you can use this Adobe Buzzword. When collaborating with other users, you can provide that is you can able to give the rights like a reader level, viewer, co-author, like that. Next one is Ajax Write. So Ajax Write is also, it does not work with Internet Explorer. So if you want to use this Ajax Write, you have to use a Firefox web browser only. Um, if it is does not contain compatibility means definitely it will not be used by many people, right? Okay, so this is no unimportant caveat aside. It's a simple interface and clean workspace which makes you well liked by many users. Okay, so this the structure of Ajax, right? Next comes the Dockley. So this is used by professional writers. Okay, so it is mainly the word processor is its focus on copyright management, including the ability to assign a document a Creative Commons license or a traditional, and then all rights reserved license product. Okay, so this provides you the minimalist approach to editing and formatting. So most elegant interface. Okay, easy to use mainly, and glide right is there. This glide business suite for web-based applications, elegant word processor. Glide right itself is called as a elegant word processor, so more easy to use than the previous one. Okay, so this provide you main number of smart, that is you can able to view that in the smartphones, including the iPhone, T-Mobile, and it's very easy to handle in the phones also. And then next, iNet Word is also another processor. And here it contains the features of tabbed interface with each open document appearing on its own tab. Here also we can able to provide background borders. All the things features will be same for all the things, all the services. Okay, so easily we can able to provide the borders, shadings, etc. And KB Docs, it looks like a notepad, right? So it does not have any sharing or collaboration features. KB Docs does not contain the sharing or collaboration features. Easiest to use. Okay. Actually, this is mainly for the newbies. That means if you are a beginning user, you can use this. Okay. And people web writer. This is a document you are editing appears its own window. This is also very, this looks like the people interface. It's a trifle unusual. That means it's like slate, like it looks like slate, right? So this includes the features like edit your documents offline. So without the internet connection, you can able to edit the content of this document. Okay. And think free write is there. So whiteboard, writeboard is there. Zoho writer. Okay. So features provided by all these are same only. You just know the cloud services which provide you the whiteboard options. So think free write. So easily we can use this option. So edit easy for editing and formatting functions. Whiteboard is also same. It's very very simple thing like a word star. It's a very very basic word processing. And the Zoho writer is always end up being the last because every all the applications finally we have seen about this Zoho, right? So which provides you the so here we can able to create multiple documents display in a single window. The Zoho writer provides you that options. Okay, and standard editing and formatting features is also available in Zoho writer. Which is robust and also provides you collaboration features. We can able to share a document with individuals, okay, or with a group of peoples, and we can set if you're making a collaboration, we can set the rights like read only or read and write options, like okay. So sharing is very easy. Just clicking on the tab, share tab. If you're clicking this share tab, you can easily share your document with peoples who have that is if you're having the email address of attendees peoples you can easily share the document. Okay, you can also set the permission level during the share button. So this is about the Zoho writer. So as I said, all the options of the cloud services are same, almost same. So what you need to do is read the topics, read the okay. If you take calendar service, so Google Calendar, Yahoo Calendar, um, Windows Live Calendar, Calendar Hub. There are so many cloud services which provide you the calendar service, right? You study that calendar service service provided by different applications thoroughly, and then you can study Google Calendar or Yahoo Calendar. So only few features will be different. Okay, so one or two features you study thoroughly, you can write it for the others also. Okay, definitely you can able to score marks. Clear? So I am stopping with this for today. Uh, we will continue in the tomorrow's class. Okay. But actually, this is yeah, I know that there are so many applications nowadays because each and every week, even I can also able to create a simple cloud service applications nowadays. Okay, there are so many things available now, but this uh, re- textbook that is a preferred textbook. The questions will be coming from this textbook only. Okay, if you are adding more points, that is not problem. Any other doubts? Guys, any other doubt? So here it does not shows the attachment option in the chat. So I can't able to share that here. You can use that PDF itself. Book PDF is available in the site. Okay. Yes, I know it is. I am unable to share here. Use the book PDF, ma. Everything I have given in the PPT is from that PDF only. Okay, any other doubts? Anything you want to ask me regarding our subject? Hope you understand all the topics, right? I have repeated many points because there is no other way, because features provided by the applications are same. Okay. If the book PDF is available, why I need to share my PPT? It's not needed. I have taken that PPT content from that PDF only. Book itself already given you the only basic points. Required points is available in the PDF itself. Okay, you study that book. The book PDF, nearly 200 pages is there for all the 5 units. Hmm? What's your name? 6235. Ahmad. Okay. Okay, guys. We will see you tomorrow at 10 o'clock. Okay. Go through that PDF today. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in tomorrow's class. Thank you all, guys.